Emotional testimony in a Manhattan courtroom today, nearly 3 years after the Manhattan club scene was rocked by a series of druggings and robberies.
Yeah, prosecutors say John Umberger and Julio Ramirez were among those targeted. Their families were in court for the first day of their murder trial.
Yeah, Pix 7's Anthony Lorenzo was there as one mother tearfully took the stand.
Hello to our two viewers. Hello, hello.
3 agonizing years have passed since Linda Clary heard her son's voice. Her best friend would have been 35 years old.
They took my son's life, 2 of them did.
Wednesday, she bravely testified at his murder trial. One victim in a series of opioid overdoses that sent the Manhattan nightclub scene into a panic. Prosecutors say John Umberger was slipped a lethal cocktail of fentanyl and other drugs, and that 2 men on trial stole his phone, drained his bank account, and went on a shopping spree.
I truly believe that they are not safe to be among us.
His grieving mother stared them down as she took the witness stand, testifying how her son went missing in May of 2022 after the fateful night out in Hell's Kitchen, and recounting her pain when a police officer found him dead days later in his Upper East Side townhouse.
Reliving the moment of the phone call of finding John's body and that he was no longer with us.
Prosecutors say this trio on trial were part of a 5-man robbery crew, preying mostly on gay victims. Some were fortunate to survive. Julio Ramirez didn't.
He was just an amazing person that was just taken away. He was a social worker. He loved helping people. He was social. He was caring. Just an amazing individual. He was my best friend.
The 25-year-old Brooklyn man fell victim to the deadly scheme a month earlier. He'd been partying at the Ritz Lounge before hailing a cab. 14 minutes later, he and 3 other men, the accused, arrived downtown. Ramirez was unresponsive in the back seat, the men allegedly leaving him for dead and going on a spending spree.
I'm just hearing how brazen these men were and just to walk away, and it was difficult.
Both families promising to see the trial through to the end and that justice is done. None of the defense attorneys wished to comment. However, one said in court that there are gaps in the state's case, arguing there's no way to sufficiently prove the drugs found in the victim's system could be linked to his client. From Hell's Kitchen, I'm Anthony DiLorenzo, Pix 11 News.